guys, welcome back to Mini Bakes. Today we're going to make Oreo stuffed cupcakes. First we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. These are the ingredients that we're going to use. 1/3 cups of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half teaspoon of vanilla, pinch of salt, 1 1/3 cups of flour, and some Oreo cookies. For the decorations, we're going to use melted chocolate and some sprinkles. We're going to add our salt to our flour. Then we're going to set it aside, and then we're going to get the other bowl. We're going to add our butter, our sugar, our eggs, and our vanilla. And then we're going to put this in. And we're going to get our sugar. And we're going to put in the eggs. Then we're going to get the vanilla. Then we're going to whisk it in, and then we're going to mix it all up. Then we're going to add the dry ingredients. Then we're going to mix it all up in low speed. Add 1 tablespoon into each cupcake cup. And then we're going to add 1 Oreo into each of them. Top it off with the rest of the batter. Need an adult's help to put it in the oven. Now we're going to wait for 15 minutes. After we waited for it to cool down, now we're going to decorate. Now we're going to sprinkle it. Here it is. Now we're going to do the second one. Next time we're going to do the white sprinkles. Here it is. This is what it looks like inside. So now it's done. Now we're going to taste test. It's very delicious. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.